Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you so much for joining me today. This is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to shoot this video really quick to share some thoughts. Now, before we jump right in, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. I am not a tax professional. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube sharing content with you every week to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the impact of fear on your financial freedom. Now, you might be wondering, what has fear got to do with financial freedom? Well, fear has a lot to do with it. To begin with, we live in a society where there's a lot of uncertainty right now. There's a lot of turmoil. We just went through the biggest health crisis in modern times, and everybody's trying to get back into the swing of things. And there are many families today that are struggling, many people today that are struggling, whose personal finances have been affected because of the health crisis that we went through. We have businesses have closed down. We have more businesses that might close down if we experience another shutdown or lockdown. So it's really critical that you take your personal finance and your financial freedom seriously, just like I am. I'm taking my financial freedom and financial well-being seriously, because everything in your life revolves around your personal finance. So if your personal finance is in trouble, then you will have issues in your personal life. Okay, most divorces today are as a result of financial pressures, of issues with money, issues with finance. So it's very important that you take your personal finance very seriously, because I have made mistakes in the past where I wasn't very serious about my personal finance, even though I knew what I had to do. Unfortunately, we don't do what we're supposed to do, and that's what leads to a lot of problems for people. Now, the reason why I said fear can destroy your financial freedom is because most of us listen to society. We listen to people. Now, let's take, for instance, someone who's looking to start a business, but they listen to friends, they listen to family, they listen to all the negativity around them, telling them they shouldn't do it, you're gonna fail, it's too risky. And guess what? They let those people or those voices stop them from achieving their goals. Now, yes, starting a business is risky. Yes, driving a car is risky. Yes, flying a plane is risky. Life is full of risk. So if you let people talk you out of, starting a business or doing what you want to do to improve your personal finance, then shame on you. Okay? It's not really your fault, but I mean, at this stage in life, most of us should know exactly what we want in life. So, and handling your personal finance, taking care of your personal financial freedom should be paramount for you. So if you let fear, if you let the fear of failure, if you let the fear of ridicule, okay, from your family, from your friends, stop you from achieving your financial goals, then that's on you. At the end of the day, we are responsible for our financial well-being. So if you let fear get in the way, then it's your fault. I know there are things to be afraid of. There are things to be terrified of. It's like jumping into a cage with a lion. Yes, you need to be afraid. Okay? There are certain things that you need to be afraid of, but you shouldn't be afraid of starting a business. You shouldn't be afraid of doing things that will better you financially. Okay, so the essence of this video is just to let you know that yes, fear is real, but you shouldn't let fear destroy your future financial freedom. Okay, fear is what happens to most people and why most people will never achieve anything in life, because they're so, paralyzed by fear, fear of failure. And I also heard some people are actually also, there's also fear of success, because most people can't handle success that comes to them. And sometimes most people, have fear just out of ignorance. Okay, ignorance will keep you, broke. Ignorance will keep you poor. So you want to make sure that you don't succumb to fear. You have to take action. All right. So I'm not a motivational speaker, but I just wanted to shoot this because most of us don't understand that the reason why most of us are where we are could be because of fear, because we're scared to do things. We're scared to, go back to school to learn a skill. We're scared to open a computer. There are people who are terrified of even flipping open a computer. So fear is real. I'm not sitting here trying to diminish that fear isn't real. However, it's how you handle whatever you're afraid of. Okay, so you need to get yourself out there, take action and get your finances in order. I'm still getting my finances in order. I don't claim to be perfect, but the reason why I shoot this video is because it helps me personally with my own personal finance. Okay, I go back and I watch these videos. It keeps me on the check. When I want to do something stupid, I'll go, well, you remember you made a video about this, so don't do it, or maybe do it because you made a video about this. So that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much for being here. And as usual, if you like my content, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and also hit the subscribe button so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. Okay, so thank you for joining me, and make sure you watch the next video coming up. It does contain very important information that you'll find valuable. All right, thank you and take care. And as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever ever give up. Take care, folks. Bye bye.